Hey, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. It's Vagabond Pat. I'm just Pat. But right now I'm a little parched, so what I'm actually here to do is a review on some Acqua Panna Tuscany. I just had some blueberry purp. So let's see here. Served in the best restaurants. Let's see here. Hold on. Whoa, man. Let me tell you. Now that's some water right there. It smells like some of the most best water I've ever smelled. Oh man, it smells like a spring in Tuscany. I've never even been there, but I could imagine. Oh my God. Oh. Oh my God. Oh. Every sip's like a little bit of heaven. Oh my God, man. The heritage of taste. Crafted by nature, Acqua Panna is slowly filtered through the hills of Tuscany. It is a symbol of Tuscan taste, celebrating the richness of its history, heritage, and culture. Savor its unmistakable taste in every bottle. And savoring I am doing, and unmistakable it is. Well, I'll tell you one thing. I've never had water that tasted so much like water before. This is the best water ever. There's no rating for it. Just go try your Tuscan water, okay? Maybe go to your go to one of the best restaurants around you and pick some up. I'm not rating this because how could you? This is the water of waters right here, okay? The waters of Fiji. What's Fiji? Huh? Ross? Huh? Poland Spring? What is that, huh? Acqua Panna Tuscany. Shouldn't even be drinking it like this. I should probably put, you know? Beautiful, beautiful. If you're watching, thanks for watching. Dangle also says thanks for watching. He also approves of the Tuscany water. And, yeah, appreciate it. Drop a like, leave a comment. Let me know if you've had water from Tuscany before or what other places you've experienced water from. You know, and maybe I could find water from there too. And maybe it matches up to the Tuscany water. But so far, this is the most wateriest of waters I've ever had. So, thanks for watching. Like I always say, stay positive. Spread the good vibes. You know, I'll give people a chance, because sometimes you give someone a chance and they're an asshole, but sometimes they're not an asshole, and that person could change your life. And if they change your life, it's a beautiful thing. But anyway, thanks for watching. Greatly appreciate it. Thanksgiving's coming up. This video might be I might upload it tonight. I don't know when I'm going to upload it. I'm trying to bank some. I'm about to film another one to do another review in a second. So, you'll see me wearing the same thing. You probably might see Dangle licking my hand again, because he's a little weirdo, and he just likes to lick your hands. Even if there's nothing on it, he'll sit there and lick your hands. I go to bed, and just put my hand there, and he'll just lick my hand. He likes to lick Herbert's ears too. It's very weird. But my phone just hit 15% also. So I have to plug it in. But thanks for watching like always. Stay positive, spread the good vibes. And yeah. Peace.